I'm going to be making spice pears today. This is the 4th week of the Fall Food Friday collab with Moss Family TV. And this is the last week of her collab. You're going to need one 16-ounce pear halves. Now, I couldn't find 16 ounces, but I found a 15 ounce, so that'll be good enough. 1/3 cup of packed brown sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 3/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Okay, now you're going to set the pears to the side. You drain the syrup or juice. Now I didn't find it with the syrup, so I just got it. It says with juice, so I'm sure it'll probably be fine. So you put that into a saucepan. Add, that looks like about 3/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. And then 3/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. And then you got your 1/3 cup of brown sugar. And you're going to combine this and bring to a boil. You're going to bring it to a boil. You're going to reduce your heat to simmer. And you're going to simmer that for 5 minutes. Bring that up because I don't want it to boil over. Okay, so I'm going to let that simmer for 5 minutes. And stir frequently. Okay, now what you're going to do, that you've simmered this for 5 minutes, you add the pears in there. And then you simmer that for 5 more minutes. When you simmer in this, you don't cover it. Leave it uncovered. So it's done. And I'm just going to let it sit in the sauce here for a few minutes, and then I'll come back and try it. It smells really good. I'm going to try one of these spiced pears and let you know how I like it. Yep, they're pretty good. You can taste the, it's not a lot of nutmeg and not a lot of cinnamon, but all of the flavors go good together. So Fallon, thank you for another nice Fall Food Friday. And I recommend her channel if you're not already subscribed, which I'm sure most of y'all are. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, I hope you'll subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Bye.